Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today in this quick video, I will show us how to use a drop-down list with VLOOKUP in Excel. We all know the meaning of VLOOKUP, vertical lookup. This is a very useful trick when we want to make our Excel sheet more interactive. Let's get right into it. But firstly, let's know what we're working on. We're working on an employee list that has to do with the employee ID, employee name, department, address, and salary. In total, we have a sheet of 300 rows. Now, we would like to create a drop-down list on the name. So when we want to know the salary of any employee name, we don't need to scroll down. From the drop-down list, we select name and know the employee salary. So let's get right into it. Firstly, let's bring out the salary. How do we do that? Equals to VLOOKUP. And what is our lookup value? The name. Don't worry, we're going to put in the name later. And we're going to put a comma. Now, our table array. Select from the employee name to the salary, Shift, Control, and the down arrow to select the entire row there. Put a comma. What is our column index? Meaning, among those 4 columns we have here, what do we want it to return back to us? And we want the salary column. If we count from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5, right? No. We are going to count from here because we selected from employee name to salary. So we'll do this 1, 2, 3, 4. Meaning salary is on column 4. So we're going to select 4 as our column index. Next, we want an exact match. So we are going to choose what? False. So click on this, close your bracket, enter. Yes, it's giving us an NA error. Why? There's no name here. So let's input the name of the first employee, which is Sunday Yusuf. And press enter. Now we can see this is the salary for Sunday Yusuf. Now, how do we create a drop down? Because now this is just for Sunday Yusuf. If we want to click others, let's imagine we don't know the employee name. So let's create a drop down in a way that all our employee is going to be on this column. How do we do that? Click on this and press your Alt A V V, and this data validation box will come up. Now, on where you have allow, select what we have here as list. Then it brings up the source, meaning what is your source? What do you want on this list? And I told you earlier that we want what? Our employee name. Click on this arrow, click on the employee name, Shift, Control, your down arrow to select everything, and click on enter. Right here, click on OK. Let's see what we have there. Now we have an active drop down list where we can easily scroll down to our over 300 employees and get their salary in a swift moment. I hope you got value from this. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.